Hello, welcome friend, welcome to our channel Quality Grow. Friend, today our topic is product recall. Introduction about product recall. A product recall in the pharmaceutical industry is the action by a company or manufacturer to remove a defective, harmful, or potentially harmful drug from the market, distributor, and consumer to protect public health. These actions can be voluntary or mandated by a regulatory authority like the FDA, and they are classified into category based on the severity of the health risk. Reason for a recall include contamination, incorrect labeling, unexpected adverse effect, or quality issues. With recall solving to prevent potential health risk and ensure compliance with regulatory standard. Origin and history of product recall. Pharmaceutical product recall originated out of necessity due to increasing risk from unsafe and defective drug, solidifying in the mid 20th century with regulatory framework like the US Federal Food Drug and Cosmetic Act FD&C Act of 1938. The first major recall followed the 1937 Elixir sulfanilamide tragedy and formal recall processes with classification for severity class 1, class 2, class 3 was established by agencies like the FDA to protect public health by removing dangerous drug from the market. Origin of recall of product pre-regulatory era. Before modern regulations, there were isolated instances of dangerous products causing harm, but no formal system to recall them. 1937 Elixir sulfanilamide tragedy, a widely reported incident involving a poorly formulated and toxic drug killed over 100 people. This event highlighted the urgent need for drug safety regulation and spurred the development of FD&C Act of 1938. The FD&C Act of 1938, the passage of this act provides the regulatory framework for the FDA to oversee drug safety, which paved the way for later recall procedure. History of recall procedure. Early regulations. Regulatory bodies begin to implement policies for the voluntary removal of unsafe products from the market. Formalization of recall program. Over time, a formalized process for pharmaceutical product recall was developed, largely influenced by FDA in the United States. This included product recall classes. Recalls were categorized by risk, such as Class 1 serious health risk or death or fatality. Class 2 potential but less serious risk. And Class 3 not likely to cause harm. Manufacturer responsibility. Companies were encouraged to have a proactive plan for handling recalls and to maintain distribution record to facilitate their execution. Agencies oversight. Regulatory bodies like the FDA monitored a company recall strategy and assess its effectiveness. Purpose and importance of product recall. Public safety, market withdrawal, and corrective action. Public safety. The primary purpose is to protect public health by preventing harm from defective or unsafe medication. Market withdrawal, to stop the distribution and sale of a compromised product. Corrective actions, to investigate the root cause of the defect and implement measures to prevent future issues. Reason for a product recall: contamination, presence of bacteria, particulates, or other unwanted substances in the product. Defect in manufacturing, problem with the production process that affect quality, safety or efficacy of the drug, incorrect labeling or uses information, error on product packaging that could lead to incorrect patient use or harm, undesired ingredient, discovery of an undeclared ingredient or harmful substances such as nitrosamine impurity, adverse event, report of serious or unexpected side effect from consumers or healthcare provider, counterfeit product, identification of products that are not genuine and may be ineffective or harmful. Type of recalls: voluntary recalls, statutory recalls. Voluntary recalls: a company take the initiative to remove a product from the market due to detected safety issues. Statutory recall: a mandatory recall initiated by a regulatory agency requiring the company to comply with the directive to protect public safety. Recall classification: recalls are categorized by their severity with different classes indicating the degree of health risk. Class 1: recall for product that could cause serious adverse health effect or death or fatality. Class 2: recall for product that may cause temporary or reversible adverse health effect or where the probability of serious adverse health is remote. Class 3: recall for product where adverse health effects are not expected but the product is in violation of regulatory requirement. The recall process: identify the problem, risk assessment, notification, product removal, corrective action, monitoring. Identify the problem. The process begins with the detection of a defect or safety issue. Risk assessment: the company assesses the severity of the problem to determine the recall class and urgency. Notification: the company notify regulatory authority and relevant party about the recall. Product removal: the product is removed from the distribution chain and returned to manufacturer. Corrective action: measures are implemented to correct the defect and prevent future reoccurrence. Monitoring: the progress of a recall is monitored and documented to ensure its completion. Thank you, thanks a lot, and keep watching our channel Quality Guru. Like, comment, and subscribe, please, more and more. Thank you.